Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Be Creative. This is Ashwati. In this video, I'll be showing you all 3-step 100% natural potato facial, and it would help to reduce hyperpigmentation and would give nice glowing skin. So let's get started. First of all, we need one potato, one medium-sized potato would do. We need to peel off a skin and then grate it, or what we can do is we can just slice it in pieces and grind it in mixie or a mixer, but make sure that you do not add water. We need that concentrated juice of potato so that we get all the benefits of potato. Okay. And one more thing, I have kept that grated potato I think for 2-3 hours. After that I have taken juice. That's the reason it has changed its color, so make sure that you use it as fresh as possible. Now we need to make a cleanser because we need to start with clean skin. For that I have taken 1 teaspoon of basin. As we all know, basin is very good to clean our skin very well, and then add potato juice and make it into a good nice pasty consistency so that it is not a messy process. If it is very liquidy, it would be very messy, and also if it is very tight consistency, it is not really possible to apply to our skin. And then just apply it to your face as a face pack and leave it on for good 4 to 5 minutes. Once it is like semi dry, you need not wait it until it becomes very dry, just like so. Okay, semi dry. And then just scrub your face with a little bit of water, just as you wash your face with face wash, just like that. Just give a nice massage and then wash it off. Your skin will feel very fresh and clean. Now next we need to make a scrub. For that I am taking rice flour, and maybe if you want you can take oats powder as well. Both works, but rice flour helps to improve our skin texture, and also it helps to remove suntan. So just apply to your face again, leave it on good 3 to 4 minutes as a face pack, and then once it is semi dry, just scrub your face very well, especially the area where you have blackheads and whiteheads, that is on nose part, and then just scrub it very well and then wash it off with plain water. And whatever scrub is left over, just use it on your hands because it's good. We need not waste it, right? And also if you want, you can just keep it in refrigerator and maybe use it for a week. Okay, and you can do this facial for twice a month, or else you can just use the face pack once or twice in a week. It would definitely show the result. Now for face pack we need to use kasturi manjal. Make sure that you use kasturi manjal, not the normal turmeric powder. Okay, and then you can take multani mitti, or else you can also take neem powder. Anyone would do, or else if you can take 3 of them, that would be great. Here I have taken turmeric powder, that is kasturi manjal, multani mitti and neem powder. If you want you can take tulsi powder as well. And liquorice powder is very good, so you can take the one which is available, and also make sure that you are not allergic to any of these ingredients. Okay, and then put on this potato juice and then mix it very well, apply it on your skin and leave it on for good 15 minutes. Okay, let it be there for good 15 minutes, and then once it is dry, just wash it off. You need not scrub it. Maybe if you want you can give a 10-minute massage, but then make sure that you just like dampen that face mask with water before scrubbing, because else I think it would damage your skin because it's already very dry. So when you are like rubbing your skin on that dry mask, it might stretch your skin very much. We need not want that, so make sure that you dampen that face mask with some water and then wash it off. And last, what you can do is take a cotton pad and dip that into this potato juice and apply it on your skin, and then you can apply any moisturizer of your choice and then go to sleep. It would be better if you can do it at night time, but then if you are doing at the daytime, I think it is better if you can wash off that potato juice, because it leaves a white color ka kuch thing on your face which is not that nice. So if it is night time, there is no problem. Now apply a aloe vera gel because it soothes our skin, and again aloe vera gel is very good for our skin, right? And then you can apply any moisturizer of your choice. Here, if it is nighttime, I prefer to use this Mama's Earth night cream, or if it is daytime, I prefer to use Mama's Earth day cream. Any moisturizer would do the job. That is upon you guys, any one of your choice, but then make sure that you apply a thick good moisturizer, because once we have done with all the scrubbing and massaging, there is chance that your skin might be little dry. So just to compensate that, make sure that you apply a moisturizer. That's it, you guys. With that, this facial is done. Do try it out and let me know, because it really has worked out for me. And please do a patch test before testing it out. And that's it. I really hope this video has been helpful for you all. If so, you all know what to do. Please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And please do comment below whatever your suggestions are. I would love to read it. That's it. See you very soon in very next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.